Let's see how to automatically shrink a document by one page in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, as you'll notice, our document currently has 2 pages. And let's say that you're only required to have a maximum of 1 page. And you'll notice that this page right here also only has very little text, so it will look very appealing when read by somebody else. Now, to quickly shrink your document by 1 page, what you can do is to use the shrink by 1 page feature by Microsoft Word. And you can find that usually in the quick access toolbar right here at the top. And currently I don't have it enabled, but to enable the shrink 1 page feature, simply click on this arrow right here, customize your quick access toolbar, and here click on more commands and change this option into all commands. And from here, simply search for shrink by 1 page. And you've been able to find it right here, shrink 1 page. Now click on that, click on add to add it to your quick access toolbar. Now click OK, and you'll notice that you have it now in your toolbar. Now let's go ahead and try clicking that. And there you go. Your document has now been shrunk to 1 page. And you'll also notice that it made some changes to your document, especially in this one. It changed the text size, font size, to 9.5 from 11. And so what that does is that it uses a smart feature to automatically shrink your document and to fit it into 1 page. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.